Hello, Maria, you're on the air.
Hello, doctor.
Hi, how can we help you?
Hi. So I have a question. I'm actually been diagnosed as being anemic. I'm currently breastfeeding. I have an 8-month-old baby. And the other symptoms I've actually been having for quite some time now, I've been very tired. I've had some acid reflux, bloating, cramping. I bruise very easily. I have this condition of the skin called vitiligo, and I'm always very thirsty. I've been told I've been vitamin D deficiency, and along with all that, I've also been having a lot of throbbing and a throbbing pain in my head, and I have very bad vision.
Okay, how much do you weigh?
I weigh 135, and I'm 5'3".
Okay, did you ever have any eczema, dermatitis, or psoriasis, or asthma as a kid?
No, not to my knowledge, no.
Well, you'd know. Okay, do you have any children?
I do. I have an 8-month-old baby.
Okay, so that's your only child?
Yes.
Okay. Has the child have any problems with skin problems, eczema, diarrhea, constipation, respiratory problems?
No, none of that. I did notice I did get my first white spot at the age, I think I was about maybe 12 years old, but they would go away and come back, and now it's just been getting a lot worse. I have it on my elbows, around my eyes, my mouth, and my hands.
Okay, so let's see here. We got your weight, 135. Okay, Char, what do you think is going on here? She's got like 8 different problems. What do you think she's got going on?
Well, I know she's got a gluten intolerance because she said she's got vitiligo too, and that's a gluten.
Can be a gluten problem, absolutely, because she can't absorb the nutrients necessary to make skin color. Okay, breastfeeding the baby. And it's kind of interesting to me that you said you had bruising.
Yes, I get bruised very easily.
Okay, and let's see here. Did you give me your age? How old are you?
I'm 29.
29, okay. Do your knees pop and crack when you squat down?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think causes that, Char?
Not being able to absorb.
Yeah, okay. And what's she not absorbing?
She's not absorbing calcium or anything, glucogel.
Yeah, minerals, exactly. So you got the beginnings of arthritis. Now, anemia can be caused by a whole lot of different deficiencies, okay? And pernicious anemia is B12 deficiency, of course, iron deficiency anemia, copper deficiency anemia, which goes along with the vitiligo. And then reflux is not really acid reflux. It's actually caused by a lack of acid. And so what would you do for this gal? What would you do for Maria Charmaine?
Oh, boy. Well, first of all, I would get her on a gluten-free diet because that's very important so she can absorb everything. And then I would get her on a healthy, can I say it, bone and joint? Healthy bone and joint pack. And I would also add, she needs to take the enzymes before she eats a meal. And she could take
have her take the ultimate enzymes. Yeah, and have her take one before each meal to help increase her efficiency of absorption of nutrients. What would you do for the bloating part?
For the bloating,
the enzymes aromatherapy oil.
Oh, okay, yeah, the peppermint oil.
Yeah, peppermint oil, 5 or 6 drops in a cup of warm water, and this will almost immediately deal with the bloating. And, of course, reflux, you want the ultimate enzymes. Take one of those, say, 2 minutes before each meal with a couple ounces of water. And, again, the Healthy Bone and Joint Pack. I would also take, at 135 pounds, I'd go ahead and add our Ultimate Selenium to the program. I'd get 1 bottle a month and take 2 at breakfast, 2 at dinner time. And then give us a call every couple of weeks. How old's the baby?
He's 8 months.
8 months, good. Now, because you're thirsty all the time, that could be due to the anemia, that could be due to a variety of things, but I'd have your blood sugar tested or your urine sugar level tested. Okay, you run to a pharmacy and get those test strips yourself. Do it yourself. I wouldn't go to the doctor and get the expense of everything. And do your own blood test. to see if you have diabetes, or your own urine test, a screening test to see if you have a sugar in there to see if you have diabetes. So this is something I would certainly check out when you're thirsty all the time.